Hey guys, so it's Monday, and this week, as you will see, is actually really super short. I didn't record dinner on a few days because I didn't cook on a few days. Like Wednesday, I did not cook. I don't remember now that I'm editing over, but I did compose the video already. I'm just doing a voiceover. So yeah, this week is very short, but I figured since I did record a few clips, let me just make a video, and I hope you enjoy. Just made me a tea latte. So this week might be a short week, kind of like last week. Can't record too much, just been busy. But today I'm making roasted potatoes. I'm just doing a quick boil, then I'm gonna roast them. Steak and arugula salad. I'm gonna have leftover soup from Saturday. But I'm just gonna finish cooking dinner, and I just wanted to show you. I don't know if you guys ever had a London fog from Starbucks. So I use English, like regular black tea, made me tea, and then I frothed some milk and just poured it on top. So I guess it's like a tea latte. I'm in love with this whole, doing the frothed milk. I had this little thing from IKEA for a few years now, and I've never really used it until recently, and I'm just in love with it. But I just wanted to show you guys what I'm drinking. Hey guys, today's Tuesday, really fast because I didn't charge my phone. I have to go charge it, so I'm going to be able to record this video, or at least I will record how it looks later on. But I am making baked ziti, but I'm not using ziti. I'm using these pastas, and I honestly forgot the name of the pasta. I threw it out already. Let me see. It is called rotini. So I'm using rotini pasta. Ricotta cheese, mozzarella, and I made a meat sauce, and I'm going to toast everything together and bake it in the oven. Hey guys, this is Tuesday's dinner all done. It is a baked ziti, but I'm not using ziti pasta. I'm using rotoni. I think I'm saying that correct. So I guess it's just a pasta baked with cheese and meat sauce. These are chicken nuggets that I made for my daughter, but she fell asleep. So she can have that later, or she can just have the pasta with meat sauce that I mixed for her. I don't know if she's going to eat this, but this is what we're going to have for dinner later. And on the side, this is Tuesday's dinner plated. This will be the last of these tiles that I got on Etsy, and I had my husband make a design for me when we first bought the house, because now we're going to cover it with this temporary stove, and then the next time we get something new will be a new kitchen. Hey guys, so the rest of the video is actually no cooking. I wound up going to my mom's house to watch her dogs for a few days because she's away. On Saturday, I took my daughter to a little farm in Queens, which I used to go to with my kids a lot. Even though I live out east by a lot of farms, I have fond memories of doing this with my son, so I wanted my daughter to enjoy and experience at least once. And this are some clips from that day. This day was a really nice day. It was just nice to be with me and her, even though I did miss the boys and my husband. We walked around, we went to the farm stand. I purchased this honey sourdough, and I really wanted to do a tour of this house, and the lady told me it was going to be a certain time, and I went to go purchase things. When I came back, she changed the time. There was like a little sign there, and she updated to like 30 minutes later, and I was like, just forget it. So we didn't get to do the tour, unfortunately. We did a corn maze. Like I said, I purchased some stuff at the farm, which I'll show you guys later on in next week's clip. I also bought a bread pudding from a lady selling it at a stand, which was super delicious, and we got a passion fruit drink. Fortunately, we did not eat anything because when we decided to eat, the lines were so long, and I was already holding all her stuff, including her pumpkin, which you guys will see later on because she painted a pumpkin, and I did not take the stroller, so there was no way I was going to be able to juggle carrying everything, so we just got something to eat later on. They're lost. None of the farm animals that day wanted to eat. I'm thinking maybe they overate, or I don't know, it was just too much excitement for them, because we and a few other people were standing there for a while trying to feed them. So, and I also purchased this food, which we wound up giving to another child. And then she picked out a pumpkin and we painted it.
Over here.
And we went back to my mom's for the evening, and we stood at my mom's house to the following day, which will be Sunday. And yeah, we just chilled out and went back home later on Sunday evening. Thanks for watching, guys, and I know this video is different than from what I usually do. It's just more of a vlog of kind of what I did for the week, but next week I plan on recording, hopefully daily, what I cook for my family.